I actually grew up in South Louisiana. I went to University of Louisiana at Lafayette, got my personnel management degree in business administration. I realized that engineering was for me when I was working for an oil company as an administrator, and I was working with all of these engineers. And so it piqued my curiosity, and when the economy kind of crashed and I got a job that I was hating, and I said, this is the time to go back to school. And I said, okay, I was 29 years old going back to school, thinking, okay, I can't fail. Everybody knows I'm making the decision to go back to school, so I've got to do it. So I took that chance and went into University of Houston, and I loved it. I got very involved in ASCE and any other activities that I could with respect to being attracted to civil engineering. As I decide, okay, I'm going to go back for engineering, what is it that I want? A lot of people told me what I should do based upon economics, but I was more or less driven because I want to get out in the field and see and do. And then I graduated from University of Houston in engineering. It was the worst time in 40 years to graduate with a civil engineering degree, but I was fortunate to have already landed a part-time job with a road and bridge contractor, and then they took me on, and I worked for several years for them, and it still really wasn't what I wanted, and then I saw an opportunity in municipal government. I had two wonderful careers with the city of Sugar Land for over 18 years. First, I reached the ranks of city engineer, and then the city manager asked me to be the director of Intergovernmental Relations. And then the Mayor Parker, she says, I want you to be the director of Public Works. And it has just been an honor and a privilege to be able to serve in this capacity. And I get up every day knowing there's going to be something different. This department has over 3,700 employees. We've got laborers, semi-skilled laborers, we've got equipment operators, you've got operators in the plants, and you have engineers and administrators and lawyers and CPAs. It's incredible the diversity of the workforce that we have just within the department. I was dumbfounded because the people that are on that list who have received this award, in my mind, they're top caliber, and I figured maybe they wanted to lower their standard a little bit. I'm very appreciative to Houston, Texas, and the University of Houston. They've welcomed me and allowed me to root here and to expand here. I remember Bob Lanier, former mayor, and he hit the nail on the head with respect to Houston, Texas, when he said, in Houston, it doesn't matter who your daddy is, because it's also very welcoming.